Hi again, we're still multiplying fractions. This time we're going to look at what you do when you multiply a fraction times a whole number. The first thing you want to do is write the whole number as a fraction, and then you're going to multiply, just like we did before. Alright, so here's an example of a fraction times a whole number, 7/8 times 6. So I'm going to rewrite 6 as a fraction, and I can do that by writing it over 1. Then I just follow the steps I've used before. 7 times 6 is 42. 8 times 1 is 8. My last step is to always simplify. These are both divisible by 2. We've already done the top for me. 42 divided by 2 is 21. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Alright, so 21 over 4. That's still improper though, so if I want to go ahead and change that to a mixed number, I need to tie both, top in, bottom out. 4 will go into 21 5 times. I subtract 20 and I have 1 left over. So 5 is my whole number, 1 is my numerator, 4 is still my denominator. And 1/4 won't simplify, so that's my answer. Alright, so let's try it again. I want to rewrite my whole number as a fraction, so 2 over 1, and then I multiply. Now I can think of this negative as being with the 3. So what is 2? I only use it once though. It doesn't go with both of them, it only goes with 1. So in case that's confusing to you, you can rewrite it as 2 over 1 times and then move it up, negative 3 over 4. Now I always like to move the negative up. It really doesn't matter as long as you just have one negative per fraction. Alright, so 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 1 times 4 is 4. I still need to change it into a mixed number. So if I divide 4 into 6, it goes 1 time with a remainder of 2. So this is negative, so my answer is also negative. It's a negative 1 is my whole number, 2 is my numerator, 4 is my denominator. This can still be simplified by 2. So my final answer, sorry, I'm out of room, is going to equal negative 1, and then this becomes 1/2. In the final problem, again, I want to change this into a fraction first. I'm going to rewrite this as negative 4 over 1 and then multiply. Again, that negative is going to go, I'm going to use it with the 2 and I'm going to use it with the 4. So a negative times a negative is what? Positive. This becomes positive 8. 3 times 1 is 3, so now I have 8 over 3. Again, I need to change this to a mixed number. So top in, bottom out. 3 will go into 8 twice. Subtract 6 and have 2 remaining. 2, this 2 is my whole number, the remainder is my numerator, and 3 is still my denominator. 2/3 is simplified, so my final answer is 2 and 2/3. So that is multiplying a fraction times a whole number. Just remember to write your whole number as a fraction over 1 first before you multiply. Thanks.